My name is Nicholas Rossi. I work for Gulf Mechanical Contractors. I've been in the industry roughly 20 years, been doing plumbing and mechanical work the entire time. Tampa, Florida is located right on the Gulf side, west coast. Working on the Altus Grand Central apartments, roughly 10-story, 300 units. We're doing all the plumbing, sanitary, storm, domestic water. We've got work on every single floor in every area. We're using the HydroFlame Pros for all our PVC penetrations, all our water riser penetrations, basically every penetration we have in a slab. We've been using HoldRite products over 10 years, since day one. We switched over from a competitor's product immediately as soon as they came out. It's a product that we found to be superior from other products that we've used in the past. The durability of the sleeve, how strong it is, the ease of install. We don't have to worry about going back, doing water dams or anything like that because it already comes with a W rating inside the sleeve. We put our pipe through it, we don't have to worry about it, we don't have to come back. And that's what we truly love. It's a labor savings all around. When we find something that works, then we're gonna stay true to that product and utilize that product day in and day out. As far as HoldRite, the relationship that we've built with them, how supportive they are, coming out to our projects, they're walking to projects, they're coming to see what our needs are. They're right there standing behind the product to keep the relationship we've established. The versatility and everything of the sleeve has really speeded our process up. With the telescoping, we don't have to worry about either ordering pre-cut or something changes. We can set to height as we go. Truly to buy one type of sleeve that'll accommodate all application instead of having to worry about mixing up one or the other. That way we'll keep our fire ratings, we'll have the UL listing that we need to be able to properly get our ratings on our penetration. We've never had an issue with any of the products that we use with HoldRite. As far as availability, durability, and functionality, HoldRite has a superior product over all the competitors. We would tell anybody to utilize their product if they want their job to turn out correctly.